In today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze your site traffic using the Traffic Analytics tool in HubSpot, even if you're completely new to it. First of all, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left side navigation menu. This is where you'll find options to manage marketing, sales, and service tools. For analyzing traffic, click on the Reporting tab. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Marketing Analytics. This will open a suite of tools designed to track and evaluate your marketing efforts. Here, focus on the Web Traffic Analysis section. Clicking on it gives you access to detailed insights about your website's performance. Now, the Traffic Analytics tool will show you a range of important metrics such as page views, session duration, bounce rate, and more. Each metric tells you something about how visitors interact with your site. For example, you can see which pages are most popular, how long people stay on your site, and where they drop off. Take some time to explore the different reports and get familiar with the data. The goal isn't just to collect numbers, it's to understand trends, identify your audience's behavior, and see how effective your content really is. Use these insights to make informed decisions and improve your website's performance. And that's how you analyze your site traffic with HubSpot's Traffic Analytics tool. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.